Good morning, good evening my brother and sister. Once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. So my brother and sister, today is September 15, 2024. It's Sunday. So I don't have work today. It's almost 12:30 p.m. now here in Dubai, UAE. So join me today my brother and sister. I will do some chest workout, maybe 4 to 6 exercise. So I hope you enjoy the training in the video today. So this is Burj Khalifa, my brother and sister, behind me. So it's almost 12:30 p.m. now here in Dubai, UAE. So let's go.
هي سنتر بوينت. المحطة القادمة هي المركز المالي. The final destination of this train is Center Point.
My brother and sister, we just drop off to financial center, so we're heading now to the gym. So let's go. My brother and sister, we already here in Gymnasium Financial Center downtown Dubai. So we'll do some chest workout today, my brother and sister. Today is September 15, 2024 Sunday. We don't have work, so we'll just do some chest workout. So I hope you enjoy the training in the video. So first exercise, my brother and sister, we'll do some flat dumbbell chest press, flat bench. We will use 40 kg dumbbell, my brother and sister. So I did already a couple of sets. This is gonna be the last set. So I try to push at least 4 to 10 repetitions. So let's see. So first exercise, dumbbell chest press. Let's go. Always remember the strap in the belt, so it will protect the spine and the wrist. So first exercise, dumbbell chest press. So second exercise, maybe we'll do some incline for the upper chest. So let's go. My brother and sister, second exercise, we'll do some incline. So this machine. So I did already a couple of steps. This is the last set. I put there 55 kg on both sides. So I try to press 4 to 10 repetitions. So we're targeting the upper chest. So incline chest press. Let's go. So 8 reps, my brother and sister. Next we'll do some decline. So we target na the lower chest. Let's go. May pan-system. This numerical exercise, we do some decline chest press. We target ng the lower chest. So I did already couple of the same class. I put there 80 kilos na band sister. So including the bar is 100 kilos. So I try to push at least 4 to 10 repetitions. So we target now the lower chest. Let's go. So 5 reps is more than enough. Next we'll do one more. Maybe we'll do some fly. Let's check which fly we can do. My brother sister, this is gonna be the last exercise for today. We'll do some cable crossover. So this machine, bear me. So I put there in the stock around 27.5 pounds. It's around 12.5 kilos. So I try to push at least 15 to 20 repetitions. So we will target now the middle chest. So this area. So let's go. So cable crossover the band system. So that's 20 repetition of band sister. So that's it, my band sister. That's the chest workout for today, September 15, 2020 for exam day. So we just recap what we did. First exercise, we did some flat dumbbell chest press. Then we did some incline machine. Then decline for the fourth exercise, third exercise. Then for this one, cable crossover. So it's more than enough, my band sister. Before I go, my band sister, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification bell. So you'll always be updated to me uploaded videos on my YouTube channel. And also you can share and like my video, my band sister. So we'll see you again, my band sister. Have a good day and have a good night. Keep on training. Peace.